going? My goodness, hello, hello. The babies. I love you both. What are you doing, Taron? You want a snack? One Sploot, two Sploots. Go bye-bye in the car, Taron. This dog has an obsession of going into the car. Hi, baby. Oh, I love you. I love you. We're not going away. Birthday. Happy birthday, baby. The best baby. It's the birthday boy. Hi, baby. Hi, Stinky. He's up. I love you. Spicy Pisces. My spicy Pisces. Hey, Taron. Is that a cupcake for your birthday? Aw, it's his birthday. Baby and his birthday. And it's snowing or raining or whatever this is. Right, guys? This is not fun at all. Aw. Babies. A birthday Sploot from the birthday boy. Hi, baby. I love you. Happy birthday, my sweet boy. I love you.
He's modeling it. Oh, it looks so nice. It looks
Oh,
nice
so
like
nice.
Keep my good side, please. Please. I like you. Good boy. I love you, baby.
What's going on, little baby?
Got a Chewy box. Yay! All right, let's open it up. Ooh. Let's see. All right, boys, we got some cookies.
Oh, nice.
Ooh, yum. Ooh, we got some squeaky toys. 2. And a rope for Tug Tug. Gotta love Chewy. Gotta love Chewy.
Wagging tails, happy boys.
Ready?
Alrighty. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Taron. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Let's blow it up.
Aw, make a wish. It's cake. Yum. Give me the cake. Oh, wow, okay. This is a party.
Delicious. You like the cake?
Hi, baby. The birthday boy. I love you.